In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to complete the marquee matchups SBC, and I'll show you how to get these 10 as cheap as possible and as quick as possible for you. To get these marquee matches 10 very quickly, I need to use FIFA.com. In this video, the latest screen right side show you how I use FIFA at the same time. If you're not good at doing SBC and you don't want to waste too much time on it, you have to see this video and it will definitely help you damn any SBC. What I recommend first and foremost is, obviously you got to complete the first one, which is let's get started. Once you have completed, just ignore other SBC and go straight forward to marquee matches. So let's start with the fourth one, OL vs Paris. Alright, here we go. You're gonna buy and fill the players which are required in this SBC. But you don't need to know who to buy and their requirements. What you're gonna do here is just open fatbin.com. Go to this purple cycle. I think you all have seen this logo in FIFA 21 SBC right now. And go down to the active challenge. In the next screen, click on live. You're gonna see this screen. Then scroll down and search for marquee matchups. In this page, you're gonna see marquee matches SBC here. I'm gonna select OL vs Paris SBC first and click on complete the challenge. Then you're gonna see this page. They are all completed SBC square for OL vs Paris. They are ranked by high to low and sort by quiet amount you have spent on this SBC. You can select any one of these SBC completed square because they all are matched with OL vs Paris requirements. I'm gonna choose this one. Here we are now. The squares you see is already matched with the requirements of OL vs Paris SBC. So what you're gonna do here is just buy 11 players and refill them in their SBC squares. So here, just look at player name and go search them in the market and put them in this SBC squad. It's gonna take only 5 minutes. If you are new and trying to solve this problem or puzzle, it can take a lot of time. So you can save a lot of time to do this SBC with my ways, right? So I'm gonna start to buy ST position 100 here. So click L1 to go to the transfer market and type 100 there. So there may be many 100 to buy. I'm gonna show you how to get right one here. So 100 rating is 78. That's why you need to scroll down and search for 78 100. Now you see Javier 100, he is the right one because his rating is 78. So to get the cheapest one in the market, you need to filter out the price. You're gonna need to know the lowest buy now price of 100, right? So to do so, go move your mouse pointer to the 100 in the FUT bin. They will show you current lowest buy now price of 100 there. So you can use it to buy cheapest one by using filter. Look, I'm doing this right now. I'm gonna add 100 to this SBC square. Okay, let's do another one with the same method. Here's Fahad. Okay, I'm gonna do the same way for Fahad. Okay, now 10 second one. So you can buy yourself the rest of them with this method, right? I hope so. I hope you understand how to use FUT and buying player your SBC needed. So you can buy all players to do SBC. So next thing I want to show you is it only takes 5 minutes to do one SBC. You can notice started time 11:23, right? I'm gonna speed up this video and I will show you the time when I'm completed this SBC. Okay, so you see 11:28. It is the time I completed this SBC. So I already proved you it only takes 5 minutes. So to complete marquee matches, you need to do 4 SBC. So it's gonna take you only 20 minutes and you can save a lot of times, I guess. Okay, now I think you can complete all SBC with this method. So please complete the rest of them yourself and get the rewards. I'm gonna speed up these 3 SBC because I know you don't want to see the whole video, it's boring to see this. So I decided to show you what I get rewards in return from rare electron player bucks. Let's check this out. I think it depends on your luck. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next video stream.